The festive season is just around the corner and I thought why don't I show you how to create a festive but easy to do eye look which suits everyone, every outfit and every occasion. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, I'm taking this black gel eyeliner from Nykaa. You can take any kohl pencil eyeliner or even black eyeshadow for this and create a winged eyeliner. For today's look, I'm using Reyeflective palette from Zygos Beauty, which is a homegrown brand, and I absolutely love this palette. It has 16 multi-chrome shades along with 4 matte shades. Coming back to the look, I'm taking this dark brown shadow on an angular brush and smudging the edges of black liner with it. Taking this brown shade on a small pencil brush to blend further and create a gradient. Taking this transition shade on a fluffy blending brush and blending this on my transition area that is just above the crease. Creating an inner corner wing and a small wing just below my waterline. You can skip this step if you want to. Next, I'm smudging my lower lash line using the same brown shades. Taking this beautiful gold shade and applying it on my lids for that festive feel. Lastly, adding mascara and you're all done. I absolutely love this eye look and I feel this looks great for every occasion and suits everyone. The combination of black, brown and gold would always remain a classic. So do try this look and share this video with your friends to give them some festive makeup inspiration. Subscribe to my channel for more upcoming festive makeup content. You can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one.